But this is on condition that there will be a winning bonus. When you win all the 2 games, you will get the same amount. Not so. Eh? Who is the captain? Who is the captain? We are giving you 50 million, but when we will have another winning bonus. Make sure that the first game you win, you will get a winning bonus. The second game also you win, and you will get another winning bonus. We are doing all this for this country, and this is not from me. And whatever I do, I'm doing it for the country, okay? So play for the country as we do our best. We want to wish you well, and we want to wish God's blessing to be with you as you play this